Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to FTP. First, we'll cover what FTP is and why it's used for file transfers. Then, I'll guide you through gathering the essential credentials you'll need. Finally, we'll explore how to choose and use an FTP client to successfully transfer your files. This process is straightforward once you understand the key steps involved. Before attempting to connect, you'll need a few pieces of information. Your FTP hostname or IP address tells your client where to connect. You'll also need a valid username and password provided by your hosting provider or server administrator. Don't forget the port number, which is typically 21 for standard FTP connections. Having these ready ensures a smooth setup. Many excellent FTP clients are available, such as FileZilla or WinSCP. Once you've chosen and installed one, open it up. You'll find fields to input your hostname, username, password, and port number. After entering these details, simply click the Connect button. Your client will then attempt to establish a secure connection with the FTP server. Once connected, you'll see your local files on one side and the server's files on the other. You can easily drag and drop files to upload or download them. If you encounter issues, double-check your credentials and ensure your firewall isn't blocking the connection. Sometimes, incorrect file permissions on the server can also prevent successful transfers, so keep that in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.